TikTok is a great place to get new recipe ideas. This one only has 2 ingredients and it requires an appliance that I already have. Win-win. Let's see if this crazy steak is really as good as it seems.
Apparently the best way to season your steak is with Kraft mac and cheese seasoning. Look at that. It looks pretty good.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's not even good. That's like delicious, Leo.
I love that steak right there. That is, wow.
Radioactive. Okay, the first one's going in the air fryer, 400 degrees. Boom. For 10 minutes, 12 minutes. We're gonna flip it halfway through. Oh, okay. Okay. Medium, it's got pink. Yes, medium. That's how I like it. Medium. What? What is that? It's like a Philadelphia cheesesteak without the bread.
For this video, I got a bone-in New York strip. Don't worry, it was on sale. A single packet from a standard macaroni and cheese is just right for 1 large steak or possibly 2 small ones. Make sure you let the steak come to room temperature before cooking it. Here, you want to really press the meat down into the seasoning. It doesn't stick very well, so you're going to have to work at it. Make sure to flip it and get all of the exposed sides as well. You guys, this smelled so good while it was cooking, I really had high hopes. Unfortunately, it didn't quite live up to the hype. Maybe I didn't get enough of the cheese powder on the steak, but this was really just kind of bland. Also, 12 minutes was a little long for the thickness of steak that I got, so it ended up being medium well. Imagine slightly overcooking a steak and then eating it next to a dish of Kraft macaroni and cheese. That's pretty much what this tastes like. There's the tiniest hint of the cheese sauce, but not enough to really make a difference. If you like the stuff in the blue box, this is a very pleasant, nostalgic taste, so it's really not bad, it's just not very good. I think a binder could really help this recipe. Maybe a bit of egg wash, or some kind of buttermilk marinade. I don't know. This definitely needs something to help the cheese sauce stick to the steak. I do think kids would get a kick out of this recipe though, or someone who's a real meat and potatoes person who doesn't really like to think outside the box. Hey, Pete's would love this. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know if you give it a try. Just don't get an expensive steak for this, or you might end up being disappointed.